Hello, I'm Batu, and today we're going to be talking about the Acumatica P3M's maintenance planner. All right, now let's head to our dashboard and let's click on maintenance. Under maintenance, we have the maintenance planner. As you can see in here, we can see all our work orders inside our calendar. So we have in the Acumatica P3M, we have two ways to create work order. First way, the AI will trigger automatically. And the second way is to create it manually. So let me show you how we create manually. On the top right, we have the plus work order button. So we're going to be clicking on that. After clicking on that, we're going to put our name. We can also assign assignees. We can add the description, of course, with the plan start time, with the plan end time, and the actions. So what are actions? Actions are the work steps that's going to be taken in this specific work order. All right, now this quick example one. For the name, I'm just gonna call it test. Plan start day, I'm gonna put today's date, and this is gonna be finished by next Tuesday. Actions for this video, I'm gonna leave it empty. When we click on next, we're gonna be choosing our entity type. So for this example, I'm gonna go with our production line. After choosing the entity type, we're gonna have to choose our entity. So it's gonna be packaging line. After choosing the entities, we're going to be choosing our category. Under category, so this is for what kind of work order is going to be. Is it going to be a repair, restoration, inspection? I'm going to go with inspection. We also have option to add a subcategory as well. Below that, we have the priority. So is it going to be low priority, medium, high, or urgent? So I'm just going to go with high. And our last step, creating manual work order, is the attachments. So we also have an option to add attachments such as images, files, and so forth, right? After we set this up, we can click on finish, and that will update our maintainer planner. As you can see, it's updated in here, starting the 2nd of August till the 6th of August, which is next Tuesday. When you click on it, you'll see the name, as you can see, still pending, and you can see the start and end times. Let's go to one existing one, for example, this one, and you'll see again, the name of the work order. The process of the work order is still pending. Below that, you can see the start and end times of the work order. On the right, we have the actions. So actions were the steps, the work steps that's going to be taken in the specific work order. For example, their first step is the checking the motor's model and serial number, right? And their second step is power down the motor and the lockout, tagout, and so forth. This is the steps that they're going to be taken. So this is the calendar version. We also have a list as well. This is all preference, of course, but we also have the list. You can also see it as a panel here as well. Now let's go back to calendar. Now let's head back to our dashboard. Under dashboard, we're going to be hitting maintenance. Under maintenance, we have the work order overview. So under work order overview, we can see all our work orders in one place. On the left, we can see all our work orders that have been currently pending. In the middle, we can see all our work orders in progress. And on the far right, we can see all our work orders being done in the last 3 months. Again, it works with the same concept. When we click on a specific work order, such as this one, we can see the name of the work order, the process of the work order. We can see the description of the work order, again, with the start and end time, dates for the specific work order. Lastly, we can see the work steps, the actions on the far right as well for the specific work order. That sums up the maintenance planner module inside Acumatica P3M. Thank you.